Welcome to my beautiful garden. Hi everyone, I saw some seeds. This is my pot. This is my geniflower seeds. I am taking some soil in this pot. These are my seeds. Spread the seeds. Add some soil. Sprinkle some water. After 7 days, the plant should grow.